Stidman. Anything where I talk now, yeah, yeah. You dey hear me so now, yeah, yeah.
Tonight we are having the one and only Yeye boy, Stidman, with the Yeye song. This Yeye song is Stidman's latest video. It was produced by Race. The director of the video was Frizzle and Bizzle. This video was shot in Nigeria under the record label Boogie Entertainment. First of all, I want to send my shout out to Stidman for being such a wonderful and creative guy. In fact, let me say this right now, I have never reviewed a video that is so funny. Actually, this video is pretty hard to define, you know, but I'll still stick to calling it a freestyle video with comedy, dance, drama and laughter mixed inside. In fact, boxed together. It's quite an interesting video, I must confess. This video attempts to tell a story, or does it tell a story? Well, it describes everyone as Yeye, but come to think of it, Yeye has several meanings, as in crazy, stupid, nonchalant, and some babes actually call their friends Yeye as a nickname. Picture this.
Yeye, are you going to take me to KFC on Valentine's Day? Yeye, I need money for my recharge card. Yeah, baby. When I flash you, you call me back, yeah?
So practically everybody just Yeye inside the song. Even me where they do the review self. Now, it be like say I don't follow Yeye. This video was entirely created in a studio. It came with loads of graphic effects, but with very simple lighting actually. The colors were very pronounced and the numerous transition effects could not go unnoticed. One thing I loved was his synchronization. When he talks about popping rosé, a guy is there with a bottle, and he talks about pinging, and there is a girl right with a BlackBerry. The sync was great. There were lots of people in this video, cameo appearances from top shots in the music industry, and of course, tons of pretty girls in a building to go round all the Yeye boys. Stidman and his crew were quite cool in this video. I mean, their street style colorful t-shirts and pants with sneakers to match really complemented the theme of this video. I mean, this is called swag. But come to think of it, it makes sense for them to just come they wear tie and then they'll come sing Yeye song, as in Yeye song. Have you be so? So they knew exactly what they were doing. Notice that Stidman didn't leave his Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses at home. He even went the extra mile to customize his t-shirt. But I didn't really get the bling that he was wearing. Abi Stidman don't join good music now. Anyhow, sha, nobody won't carry last though. But wait though, how this guy could just wake up for morning just decide call everybody Yeye? If you dey sleep oh Yeye, you know they sleep, you still be Yeye. You dey chop oh, you be Yeye. You know one chop, you be Yeye. Now wow. Cause this song don't they play for my radio since morning. Even me, I don't feel like say I be Yeye already. But really speaking, the only thing I didn't like very much was the blue background in the studio. From beginning to the end of the video, it was just blue. But sha, one man's meat is another man's poison. Maybe blue is Stidman's favorite color. How would I rate this video? I would give this video an 8 over 10. The guy tried, he did a very good job. I think it was an interesting video, a video that you want to start day with, just makes you sit down and laugh and have fun. What do you think about this video? Please do well to drop your comments in the comments box below. Share and subscribe. More reviews will come to you soon.
Yeah, baby. When I flash you, you call me back, yeah?